Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn tooth numbering systems in dentistry. So why we need system used by dentists to associate information to a specific tooth, and that's why we can communicate not only with among ourselves, we can have to communicate with the lab person or other dentist. So it is useful in clinical practice. Some shorthand system of a tooth notation is necessary for recording the data. So it will be easier when we are doing clinical practices or recording tooth present in the oral cavity of patient. It will reduce the time, and to do efficiently, it is necessary to adapt a type of a code or a numbering system of a teeth. So what are different types? There are three types, that are Universal Notation System, Zsigmondy or Palmer Notation System, and Federation Data Array internationally, also known as FDI system or two-number digit. So prior to going to the tooth numbering system, we will see the teeth present in different dentition and their dental formula. So there are two types of dentition. One is deciduous or primary dentition, where total 10 teeth in each arch is present. Two central incisor on right and left side each, lateral incisor is each on right and left side, canine each on right and left side, two molars, that is first primary molar and second primary molar. The same teeth are present in the mandibular arch, making the dental formula I 2 by 2, C 1 by 1, M 2 by 2. I stands for incisor, C stands for canine, M for molar. So 2 is 2, the horizontal line in between 2 is arch. So the teeth above the line are maxillary, teeth below the line are mandibular. Coming to permanent dentition, the teeth number increases. Total 32 teeth are present in the oral cavity, 16 in each arch. So they are central incisors, two central incisors, two lateral incisor, two canines, two premolars on each side, that is four premolars in one arch, and three molars on each side, making six molars on a arch. Okay, so the teeth will be central incisor, lateral incisor, canine, first premolar, second premolar, first molar, second molar, and third molar. So the dental formula for permanent dentition will be I 2 by 2, C 1 by 1, P 2 by 2, M 3 by 2, 3 by 3. I again stands for incisor, C for canine, P for premolar, and M for molars. So here what three teeth are added are premolars and third molar. Now coming to the your numbering system. The first system is Zsigmondy Palmer notation system. This in this system, your arch is divided into four quadrant. That is two the horizontal line divides arch in maxillary and mandibular. The numbers or letters written above the line will be maxillary, below the lines will be mandibular. The vertical line divides your arches into right and left side. So in primary dentition, capital A, B, C, D, E is used for each tooth. A stands for central incisor, B stands for lateral incisor, C stands for canine, D stands for first molar, E stands for second molar. So when I am writing the letters on the left side of the arch, the A, B, C, D, E, that will be in maxillary left central incisor, primary central incisor. If I write B, that will be maxillary left primary lateral incisor. The same way on the right side, A, B, C, D, E, all the capital letters will be written. In mandibular, again A, B, C, D, E, and in left side it will be A, B, C, D, E. Whereas in permanent we write with the numbers 1 to 8. 1 for central incisor, 2 for lateral incisor, 3 for canine, 4 for first premolar, 5 for second premolar, 6 for first molar, 7 for second molar, and 8 for third molar. Coming to universal notation system, remember for this it starts from the last tooth of the maxillary right side, that is your last tooth. In primary it will be second molar, whereas in permanent it will be third molar on the right side. And for primary dentition we use capital A, B, C, D, E, whereas in permanent we use numbers 1, 2, 3. So when I'm writing, I'm gonna write A, B, C, D, E. So A for second molar, B for first molar, C for canine, D for lateral incisor, E for central incisor, all primary on the maxillary right side. Whereas coming to the left side, I'm gonna start with the maxillary central incisor. On the left side, continue with your E, there will be F, G for lateral incisor on the left side, H for canine on the left side, I for the first molar on the left side, J for the second maxillary primary molar. Now it will be continued with the mandibular left last or your second primary molar. So here it will be K for primary second molar, L for first molar, M for canine, N for lateral incisor, O for central incisor. Then on the right side, P for central incisor, Q for lateral incisor, R for canine, S for your first molar, and T for your last or second primary molar. Here if you don't draw the lines, it will be paste. Now for coming to the permanent dentition, I'm again going to start with the right side maxillary last tooth, that is your third molar. The one will be for third molar maxillary permanent third molar, 2 for maxillary permanent second molar, 3 for maxillary permanent first molar, 4 for maxillary permanent second premolar, 5 for first premolar on the right side of the maxilla, 6 for canine on the right side maxilla, 7 for the lateral incisor on the right side, 8 for the central incisor on the right side of maxilla. Coming to the left side of maxilla, it will be 9. So 9 will be for central incisor, 10 will be for lateral incisor, 11 for your canine, 12 for first premolar, 13 for second premolar, 14 for your first molar, 15 for second molar, 16 for third molar. Whereas coming to your mandibular left side, last tooth we should start. So it will be 17 for mandibular left permanent third molar, 18 for second molar, 19 for mandibular left first permanent molar, 20 for mandibular second premolar on the left side, then 21 for mandibular first premolar, 22 for mandibular canine, 23 for mandibular lateral incisor, 24 for mandibular central incisor, 25 for mandibular right central incisor, 26 for the mandibular right lateral incisor, 27 for canine on the right side of the mandible, 28 for the first premolar on the right side of the mandible, then 29 will be for second premolar of the right side of the mandible, 30 for the first molar of permanent first molar on the right side of mandible, 31 is for second permanent molar on the right side of the mandible, and 32 will be third molar of the on the right side of the mandible. Coming to your Federation Dentaire internationally, it is also known as two-digit system. is proposed by FDA and has been adopted by WHO and by other organizations. First number denotes dentition, arch and quadrant, and second number denotes the position of the tooth in the arch. For primary dentition, we use 5 to 8 number as a first number, and for permanent 1 to 4 for as a first number. So when I'm gonna write, I don't have to draw these lines for permanent, though this diagram show, but it should not be there. So when I'm writing 5 1, 5 is the first number, so it will be denoting your dentition, arch and the side. So it will be maxillary, right, primary, and 1 is the position of the tooth, that is near to the midline, that is next to the midline. So it will be central incisor. 2 will be lateral incisor. Third position is of canine. Fourth is of first primary molar, and 5 is for second primary molar. So when I'm writing in FDI, the maxillary right side primary tooth, it will be 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5. When maxillary left side primary, I'm gonna write 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 will be the U. So here again from central to for a second molar. When I'm using your mandibular, or I'm denoting mandibular teeth with 7 1 on the left side of the mandible. 7 1 will be for mandibular left central incisor primary, that is. 7 2 will be for primary mandibular lateral incisor of the left side. 7 3 primary mandibular left canine. 7 4 for primary mandibular left first molar, and 7 5 will be for primary mandibular left second molar. 8 1 for mandibular right central incisor primary, that is. 8 2 for mandibular primary right lateral incisor. 8 3 for the right mandibular right canine. 8 4 for primary right mandibular right first molar. 8 5 will be for right primary mandibular second molar. Whereas in permanent, we are going to use a first number as 1 2 3 4, and the other numbers, the next number will be from 1 to 8 will be denoting their positions in the R. So if I'm writing 1 1, it will be permanent mandibular right central incisor, and if I'm writing 1 8, that means your permanent maxillary right third molar, whereas 2 1 will be permanent maxillary left central incisor. So it will be 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8 for the maxillary permanent right side. Whereas on the left side of maxilla for permanent dentition, it will be 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7, 2 8. Where for mandibular permanent left side, it will be 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 3 7, 3 8. Where for right side of the mandible in the permanent dentition, it will be 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 4 7, 4 8. Here we ends with the tooth numbering system.